You can get 50% more views by dubbing your videos into another language. And I'm talking about the best voice dubbing you've ever heard. Don't believe me?
Welcome to 50 ways to make a three-pointer. Bienvenidos a 50 maneras de meter un triple.
On this YouTube video, click the settings cog at the bottom of the video player and change the audio track to any of the languages available and have a listen to how it sounds. Right now, you're likely asking yourself two questions. First of all, how does this sound so good? And second, does dubbing your content actually get you more views? Well, we recently released ElevenLabs Productions, our brand new end-to-end marketplace that lets you commission human-edited content, whether it's for dubbing, subtitles, audiobooks, or just rigorously accurate transcriptions. Productions is powered by our network of expert linguists and localization professionals who are trained, vetted, and certified directly by ElevenLabs, ensuring your localized content looks, sounds, and feels perfect. And to test out the power of dubbing, we recently kicked off the process to dubbing all of our videos into 7 other languages, and so far, the results have been pretty wild. On average, 20 to 30% of our views are coming from people who are watching our videos in a different audio track than the original. This means that we're getting hundreds of thousands more views than we were previously by reaching a whole new international audience. And other creators out there are getting up to 50% of their views coming from international audiences, all while maintaining the personality and feel of their content, making it engaging and natural no matter what language it's being watched in. And here's how it works. In ElevenLabs, to begin using Productions, we can simply click on Productions in the left toolbar right here. And now we're in Productions, we can see all of the different services that Productions provides. We have transcripts, captions, subtitles, and dubbing. And for our YouTube videos, we've been using the dubbing feature. And so we can simply click on the dub, and now we've got the modal that opens up, and we simply need to fill it out with all of the information that the Productions team needs to create a perfect voice dub in another language. And so when it comes to our workflow, once we've got the final edit, we like to export the audio speech track as an individual audio file, and then we simply drag and drop this into the Productions modal. Below that, I then select the source language, which is English, and then we want to select the dubbing language. And here I can simply select the language that I want to dub it into. And so let's say I want to dub it into French, I can click French. And I like to leave it as the original file name, except I like to add the language that I'm dubbing it to on the end. If there are any specific details that we want to control about the dubbing, we can add some custom styles and instructions right here in this box, but for my case, I don't want to. And once we provided all the information to the Productions team, we can simply click on Continue. You then have a recap of your order, and to send it off to the Productions team, you can go ahead and click Checkout. And within the estimated time that the Productions team stated on your order, you should get your audio content dubbed into a completely new language that's ready to then be added to your content. And so once we have this audio file, we simply go to the YouTube studio and add a new language and make sure we upload the voice dub file to that video so we can reach a much bigger international audience. And so if you've been wanting to translate your content to reach new audiences, try out ElevenLabs Productions, which allows you to translate your content so it looks, sounds, and feels natural. Thanks for watching.